Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is lofty waitlist, guys. Say liquidity real estate is coming, guys. Say meet the world's first liquidity pool for real estate, guys. They actually raised $5 million for this. Their airdrop will be coming up soon. All you need is just your email address and then you are good to go. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my video, here in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrencies. Please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. So I'm going to input my mail, that's all. Just input your mail, and then if there is any other thing, I'll keep you guys updated. Like if there is any other thing now. So I'm done inputting my email. I will just click on join waitlist and then you are good to go. That's all. You understand? So we are actually in a waitlist era. So if you actually missed Hakim airdrop, don't miss this one, guys. Anything you see on this channel, take it serious, guys. Then give this video a thumbs up so that others can also benefit from this. So I'm going to click join waitlist. So it's actually loading. You see you are on the wait list. So here is wait. Once you add your email, then this is your referral link. You copy it immediately and then share to your friends. So I'm going to drop my referral link under the comment section of this video. So that will be all for now. So I've copied my referral link. It says share and refer your friends to move up in line. So I can decide to share on WhatsApp and Twitter as well. So guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.